I just used one node, just made all this look, and it looked fantastic. And it's not magic, it's something you need to understand about the curves, and that will save you a little time to use a lot of node to just make your color look. So I'm gonna show you how to make it from this to this. Let's jump to it. Okay, so this is my node. Okay, so I'm going to name it my grid. So when name it, okay, move to the curve. Okay, I'm talking about this one. Okay, so this is the one we're going to use. So we're going to create the Y. We're going to start from the Y. Okay, so the Y, you're going to push around the side. Okay, to the down here, you can see we just give you something different. So you're going to push it to be around this side. So when you push it, make sure you're going to do the same thing to this side too. Okay, but be careful about how it's gonna to affect it. Is to shine bright, so you have to just take your time, make sure you just arrange it well. So okay, let's see, let's check the bypass. You can see the difference now. So with this, you're going to move to the next step, to the eye of the red. Okay, so we're going to use the red to just do something over here. So you're going to click these points and push it to down here, not up here. So you have to make it just cool. We just need it to be like something like Hollywood like style. So you just need to push it to be around this side, and then you come to the green, the green. So the green, you're going to also push it into this side. Okay, we need to make it step by step how it's going to make it look great. So you can see the before and after now. So when you're done with it, we're going to move to the B, the blue one. So the blue one, we're going to push it to be around this side. That's the one that's going to give you the nights and how everything just looks great. You can see the blue shade, the colors just showing over there. Okay, so we want to just check the before and after. You can see the difference now. The skin tone, everything is just in the right position. So when you're done with it, make sure you will just move to the offsets. So that's the way, move to the offsets. So that was the one you're going to give the more you need to just achieve from this to this, and we're going to add more. So we're going to the offsets, you're going to push it to be around this side. Okay, not too much, but you need to push it a little bit small, not too much, so you have to just take it to the side. So when you're done with it, make sure you come to the gray. So the gray, you're going to push the gray to be around this side, so you can check the numbers here. Okay, you can check the numbers. You see the red, green, blue, you see the numbers. Okay, and you can follow how the step by step how I just made it. So when we're done with this, we're going to check the saturation. So the saturation, I want to change the numbers to 61.60 and enter. So when you enter, this is what they're going to give you. So let's check the before and after. So this, we are not done yet. I'm going to move to the highlights. Okay, so the highlights, we're going to make it 48. Okay, the highlights here is going to make it 48, and then we'll move to the shadow. So the shadow, we're going to make it negative 35. Okay, how we say now. So it's just simple, easy way to just come out with something like this. And then we're going to add one loop to it. So when you're done with all this, come to the loots and move to this one. Okay, this or this, but yeah, you need to make sure you choose the right one. So I just prefer this one. Okay, this one is going to be give you the bright one, so you're going to click on it. Okay, so you can see now before and after, or you can just reduce the highlights. Okay, so you can see now before and after, before and after. So this is the step-by-step how to use OneNote to just make all this a grid. It's not something that is stress too much to get this or that. Some just create a lot of node and later they will end up with worse. So you need to just come up with something like this. You can use OneNote, and that's how I just started just building this. So if you need more videos like this, just click here and never forget to subscribe. See you for the next video. Bye.